Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your access token of GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any web browser that you are using. After that, you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up, and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, you click on continue, and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle, identical objects, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that, it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So now after that you log into your account and that you have just created your personal access token, make sure that you have it stored somewhere, so like this one. And now I'm going to show you some usages of the access token, like login to your GitHub account using the access token. So basically we'll need to start a command prompt or a command line. Just type cmd in your Windows and it will find this one. So basically now we will start some configurations and some command lines. The first one, we need just to configure to start logging in with the password or the access token. So basically just like the credential, then credential, and then dot helper, and then I will add git we store now, and we click like this. After that we need to clone a repository, so start then clone repository. And basically to find the link of your repository, just copy paste this URL. We go back here, we do like this. I already have it copied here and pasted in my clone repository that I have in my local computer. And now all you can do is to go to your GitHub and you will be able to log in with your personal access token. So basically this is just one of the many usages of the access token. Thank you for watching and see you next time.